For question 4, you are to express 1 over x squared minus 16 in partial fractions. Before you express this particular fraction into partial fraction, first you have to identify whether the fraction is proper or improper fraction. As it stands like this, this fraction is proper fraction. Why is it a proper fraction? It is a proper fraction because the exponent of the variable in the denominator, that is the exponent for the x, is greater than the exponent for the x in the numerator. Someone said that, but the numerator, we don't have any x there. We do. It is x exponent 0. So the exponent for the x is 0. The exponent for the x down, that is for the denominator, is 2. So in this case, the 2 is greater than the 0. That is why this expression is a proper fraction. So you take note of that. Now, after getting to know that this expression is a proper fraction, now ask yourself, the denominator, is it factorable? Yes, it is factorable. If it is factorable, then let's factorize that and see. So the 1 over x squared minus 16 will be the same as 1 over, we have x squared minus 4 squared, and this is also the same as 1 over, we apply difference of 2 squares there, so this is going to give us x plus 4 in one bracket, x minus 4 in another bracket. Okay, so if that's the case, then the 1 over x squared minus 16 is also equal to 1 over x plus 4 multiplying x minus 4. So we can use that. Therefore, we'll be having 1 x plus 4 x minus 4. Now our fraction has been factorized, or the denominator of the fraction has been factorized to x plus 4 multiplying x minus 4. Now for the partial fraction, if the denominators, or if the denominator of the fraction involves linear factors which are different, the basic assumption is the numerator is going to be a constant which we don't know. So the numerator of our first fraction is going to be a, that is a constant that we don't know, over one of the linear factors. So let's say x plus 4 plus b, which is another constant which we don't know, over the other linear factor there, that is x minus 4. So we try finding the value of these constants, that is a and b. So how are we going to find that? Now let's consider the whole of this as an equation. So let's find our LCM. We multiply through this equation by the LCM. So our LCM is going to be the x plus 4 x minus 4. So we take this LCM, we multiply each term by the LCM. So we are going to multiply the whole of this term by the LCM. We multiply the whole of this term by the LCM. We multiply the whole of this term too by the LCM. Okay. So we'll be having x plus 4 x minus 4 times our first term, that was 1 over the x plus 4 x minus 4. This is equal to, we have the same LCM. So x plus 4, x minus 4 times, you have the a over the x plus 4 plus the same LCM, that is x plus 4, x minus 4 times b over the x minus 4. Okay, so what is going to happen next? Now the whole of this is going to cancel this, therefore we are going to be left with 1 being equal to, once again, x plus 4 is going to cancel x plus 4. Now you are going to be left x minus 4 multiplying a. So we are going to have a multiplying x minus 4 plus, once again, this x minus 4 is going to cancel this x minus 4. So you'll be having b multiplying x plus 4. So you have b multiplying x plus 4. Now at this point, we use what we call the cover-up rule. You take each linear factor that you are having there, you equate it to 0. The value that you're going to get, we substitute that into this equation. That is this particular equation. So let's assume that this is our equation 1. So we take our first linear factor. So taking, let's say, x minus 4, we equate it to 0. So this will be equal to 0. We are going to get x to be equal to 4. So now when x is equal to 4, we substitute that into equation 1. Wherever that we see x, we substitute the 4 there. So we have 1 being equal to, we have a 4 minus 4 plus b, we have 4 plus 4. So we simplify this, and this will give us 1 being equal to, don't forget that 4 minus 4 will give us 0. So 0 times a will give us 0. Therefore, we are going to be left with this b multiplying 8, and that will give us 8b. Okay, so this will be equal to 8b. We are solving for b, so we are going to divide both sides by 8. And now we'll be having our b to be equal to 1 over 8. We do the same thing. We go and take the other linear factor, we equate it to 0, and then we use the value there. So again, taking x plus 4, we equate that to 0, and this will give us x being equal to negative 4. So once again, when x is equal to negative 4, we will be having 1 being equal to a, you have negative 4 minus 4 plus b, you have negative 4 plus 4. So in this case, what is going to happen? We know that negative 4 plus 4 will give us 0. So 0 times b will give us 0. Plus this side, negative 4 or minus 4 minus 4 will give us minus 8 times a. And that will give us minus 8a. is equal to the 1. So we'll be having 1 being equal to minus 8a. We are solving for a, so we divide both sides by negative 8, negative 8. This will cancel. And we are going to have a being equal to negative 1 over 8. Therefore, getting the value for a to be equal to negative 1 over 8 and the b being equal to 1 over 8. You don't end here. You substitute them into the original expression. That is what we had here. That is the a and b. You have to substitute the values into this particular equation or expression. So now we are going to have the 1 over x plus 4 multiplying x minus 4. Now this is equal to our a. In the a we had negative 1 over 8 over the x plus 4 plus our b. And the b is 1 over 8 all over x minus 4. You don't end here. You simplify this further. Then you simplify this one too further. Okay, so we'll be having 1 over x plus 4 x minus 4 being equal to, you have negative 1 over 8 divided by the x plus 4. So 1 is over 1 plus the other one, that is 1 over 8 divided by the x minus 4 over 1. Okay, so this will give us minus 1 over 8 times 1 over x plus 4 plus this one will give you 1 over 8 times 1 over x minus 4, and this will give us minus 1 multiplies 1 and then 8 multiply the x plus 4, so this will give us minus 1 over 8 multiplying x plus 4 plus, once again this 1 multiplies it, then 8 multiplies it, so you have your 1 over 8 multiplying x minus 4. Okay, so therefore your 1 over the x squared minus 16 is now equal to negative 1 over 8x plus 4 plus 1 over 8x minus 4. So this is the end of the question 4 of the elective maths of the Wassce 2020 paper 2. Thanks for your time.